Welcome to this 4-part video series for the ASR 9000 series line card. After watching this video series, you will know how to unpack the line card, install the line card, uninstall the line card, and repackage the line card for return. This video shows you how to unpack the line card from the shipping carton. Before you begin unpacking, make sure that you have all the required tools and equipment. You must wear ESD gloves to prevent electrostatic discharge while removing the line card from the ESD bag. We're now all set to unpack the line card. Open the carton seal. Remove the foam cushion. Place the pink foam on a flat surface. The pink foam acts as an anti-static medium for the card while you prepare the chassis for installation. Lift the inner packaging box that contains the line card and place it on the flat surface. Open the seal of the inner packaging box. Open the ESD bag and remove the wooden baseboard. Unscrew the 3 screws from the plastic blocker. Remove the line card from the plastic side rails of the wooden baseboard. Place the line card on the pink foam. Affix the plastic blocker back on the wooden baseboard by tightening the 3 screws. Preserve the packaging boxes carefully for future use. For more information on how to unpack the line card, refer to this guide. Now watch the next video in this 4-part series, which shows you how to install the line card.